You know, Madam Quality is a very generous woman. She calls everybody to bar. So she has called me to bar today. In case anybody looks for me, tell them I'm at Madam Quality's bar. Eba na tondo manu ne etinyi ife n'isi. Okay, Papa. Hey, Papa. Yes. We want to prepare soup today, Papa. Oh, yes. I left 1,500 on the table, on the dining table. Please, use it to prepare quality nsala soup. With enough azund, okporoko, isi efi, one tutu, wanyatete, and the soup has to be enough to last for a long time. I don't want anybody to disturb me again tomorrow.
How am I supposed to prepare enough nsala soup with enough azundu, ishefi, okporoko, Papa?
May thunder strike that your no mouth. If it won't be enough, why not add your own money? Are you not old enough to be independent? Are your mates not in their husbands' houses contributing to the welfare of their immediate families?
But Papa, if I had money to contribute, will I be asking you for money?
You don't have money, but you have AK-47 mouth. You don't have money. Let me just. Didn't you see me here?
I am sorry, Nai. I just came to share my good news with Odera.
And what is the good news?
I am sorry. It has nothing to do with you.
What is the good news?
Nai, Ifedi, nothing from. I just obtained my.
Is that the good news? So what is good about this nonsense paper you have obtained? Because and I'm quality.
Onyinye, please, I'm so sorry. That is the father I have. Papa doesn't care about anything other than his stomach. So what are you going to do now? Doesn't mean you won't obtain your own form? Too bad. Just so happy for you. Thank you. I finally got your voice. Mama, you're back.
Hey, my dear. Uju, you're cooking?
Yes, Mama.
Sister,
how was it?
You don't look your usual happy self. What's the problem? Did you fight with father again?
See, I have no issues with father. It's just that he is not listening to me. He's not paying attention to my dreams. Onyinye was here earlier with the nursing school form and told me about it in the presence of Papa. But he just pretended as if he did not know what we were talking about and completely ignored us.
And why did that surprise you? He has already told you that he is not going to train in school.
But that's not fair. It's not fair. I'm his daughter. He's supposed to train me to any level I want to attain in life.
You're preaching to the Pope. Papa has already told us that the greatest level a woman can attain in life is her husband's home.
That's not funny.
Yeah, Ujunwa, be serious for once in your life. Adam, don't worry yourself. You know, go. We will iron it out with him tonight. You know, go, Wam. I must make sure he gets you the form and see to your schooling. Don't worry yourself. Oh, wait.
Mama, it's
not the final that I know. Anyway, I honestly wish you people good luck. And I want you to succeed. Because me, I also want to go to the university.
Ujuma, go inside. Mama, don't go. The food will soon be ready. Okay, I'll bring it for you before.
Nani, you shouldn't be saying that. She is our daughter. They are our children. It is our responsibility to train them in school. Oh my God, hey!
Our responsibility. Okay. If I ask you to contribute your own quota, will you?
Of course, I will gladly do that. Are they not my children?
Of course, I will gladly do that. To hit your own ball. Okay, let me ask you. How are you even going to raise the money to do that?
Now, forget how I am going to raise the money. I am not lazy. Neither are my hands and legs broken. I can walk.
That's what you always say. But at the end of the day, I will be the one doing everything. Now, listen to me. I have done my best for her, seeing her through secondary school education. The best thing for her now is to get married and start contributing to the welfare of her immediate family. Also, when Obwise Bunt finishes secondary school, she will also get her own husband.
Eh? Papa? Papa, that will not happen, no. It will not happen at all. Because now I want to go to the university also.
Hey! Like when Obwise Bunt, this one wants to go to Mahadum. Eh? Hey, oh no, but which one do you want to attend?
But my name is Chidera.
Is it a lawyering school, nursing school, or doctoring school? Eh? No to Isia.
Are they not your children?
No, I know is that Obanje daughter of Adak who is deceiving you. I know that. I will stop her from coming to this house. In fact, any other day I see that girl with this...
Papa, leave Oni out of this, oh.
It has always been my dream to become a nurse. And I've been telling you this for years now. Nobody talked me into it.
And it has always been my dream to see you get married after secondary school. Because woman's education ends in the husband's kitchen. So tell me why I should use the money I should have used in taking care of myself to train you in higher education, which will end in your husband's kitchen. Look, I have done my best for you. But if you still insist, then it should be your husband's cross. Count me out. Oh.
But why are you always thinking about yourself now? Me, I want to go to nursing school, oh. I want to go to nursing school, oh.
Listen. So the thing is, I have made it clear, very clear, that you are not going to any nursing school. Papa. Not at all. You are not going to any nursing school. Not at all.
Mama telling me, I want to go to the university.
You are not going to any nursing school.
Mama, you are keeping going telling me.
I've made it very clear.
Mama,
right now.
Go
and get married. Obise Bunte. Once you finish secondary school, you get married.
Stop calling my children names. Which one is Obise Bunte? I don't like it. I don't like it.
Because I will use every means to get you down. Don't try me. Don't dare. Sophia. In fact, Papa, I don't want anything to do with this family anymore. That is your car key. As soon as I get home, I will pack the rest of my belongings and bring it to you. Anything your brother or your family has ever gotten for me. Make a list so I won't make a mistake. Papa, I don't want to be in this house any longer. Let's go.
Let's go. This is a wicked family.
You are wicked.
You people have missed heaven. You will never miss hell.
Uncle, you are wicked.
This is a wicked family. Let's go. You will not do all. I will not do all. This is a wicked family. We are not. You will go to hell before us. We have not missed heaven.
Don't stress yourself.
What can you imagine?
I will handle it. Sit down. I will handle it.
This family can be ungrateful.
Why are you crying?
What do we do?
What do we do? It's okay.
What do we do?
Okay.
Nana, please come back. Oh.
Every blocked ears must surely end up in the hole. Because you will be told not to follow this path. And you won't listen. Look at your life. I told you that you called me old woman. You called me old school. Your father called me analog woman. Oh, now talking. Now you're going out talking. Onyeka gave out of his little any. He bought you from. He paid your school fees. Great! And you to shock you finally. Onyeka proposed to Onyinye. Now she will be completing her nursing school in America. Obodoyibo. Something you left and it slipped from your hand. Ntoy! Chidera! Ntoy! Look at your life. Look at what you've done to yourself because of greed. You're here crying. I will not do that. Very soon. Very soon you'll be shedding tears. You'll be shedding blood. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Oh God, what have I done to myself? I want to wake up. Good morning.
Morning, madam. This one you came here this morning. I hope all is well.
Adane, all is not well. I have made a very grievous mistake in my life. And I came to ask Onyeka to please forgive me.
There's nothing I will not see in this world. So you have the guts to walk into this compound to look for my uncle Onyeka. Eh? Anyway, I see you haven't heard. For your information, Onyeka, Onyinye, Chiamaka, and Udoka have all gone to America. See, looking for Onyeka here has no meaning. It makes no difference at all. Because as we speak right now, Onyeka has proposed to Onyinye and they are getting married soon in America. Mistake maker. Sorry, oh. Sorry, Nne.
Oh God. I should have known. I should have known that the one you have is worth more than $1 million. What have I done to myself?
Mistake maker. Sorry, Onyinye. Sorry. Are you crying? Please, I don't want you to stay here and cry. As you can see, I'm going out. If you want to cry, go to your father's house. Or you go to Sophia's house and cry. Not here. And now you know. They one you have is better than the one you don't have. Now you know. I hope you will learn from your mistakes.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You are our wife, and you are supposed to be in your husband's house.
Says who? Says who? Eh? I don't understand. Papa, is anybody standing here? See, I am not married to you or anyone else. What is it? You should leave me alone. I have returned everything you people have given to me. What do you want again now? Please, you people can now leave. Are you asking us to leave? Did I put water in my mouth to say it?
She is no more interested. I will pay you back your money to the last farthing.
Ngwana uncle, let us leave.
Let's go.
Go.
They can just come here and come and shout, then I'll be shivering. I have made a grievous mistake. The whole community is talking about me. They are all calling me names. Everyone now knows me as the girl that married a ghost husband.
My daughter, you don't need to bother. It's a matter of months now. Everything will be forgotten.
Stop it, Papa. You caused all these problems for me. You're a very wicked father. You pushed me into this because of your greed. I knew you hated me, but I never thought that it was this much, Papa. Why?
When you tell the ear and it doesn't hear, When you cut off the head, it goes with it. Wow. You want to reach husband? Then, no matter what you do.
See what you've done to yourself.
Search everywhere and bring her out! Bring her out! Search where? What rubbish? What is it?
Oh, gentlemen! So you brought in the police to arrest my innocent daughter, isn't it? Eh?
Are you still standing there? I said go inside and search everywhere.
Papa, you won't stop them, eh?
It's alright.
You won't stop them.
Don't worry, we shall see the winner. We shall see the winner. Because I don't have money. Oh, it's alright. We shall see.
Oh, you don't know me.
We shall see. I don't have money.
Okay.
We shall see the winner by how much. Jezebel. It's alright.
Did you find her? Where is she?
Did not see anybody. Did you check everywhere?
I checked everywhere.
Ha! Okay, let's wait for the other one. Did you see her?
I have searched everywhere. I can't find anything.
I said you should look for every nook and cranny of this house. I don't want to go into that house. Bring her out.
There's a dead body at the backyard.
Dead what?
Could she be the one you're looking for?
Oh yeah,
Dead
come
what?
on. Hey! Where is she? Where is she?
Come listen, I saw you.
Where is she?
Follow me this way.
Hey! Oh, that's it then! Hey!
Is a poisonous substance.
Huh?
I'm sorry. She is dead.
When you call your finger that feed you, why will you say your love because of money? Life not cha-cha, life not cha-cha, life not cha-cha, life not cha-cha. If you get money, money's not everything. If you get money, money's not everything. Money's not everything. Don't marry because of money. Don't marry because of money. Some people say money answers all things. Money can destroy you, can destroy your marriage. Don't marry because of money. Yeah. Don't marry because of material things. because of money. Don't marry because of money. Don't forget the person that is there for you when you are in difficulties. Remember the one that loved you when you have nobody by your side. Don't allow money to take away your happiness. Don't allow money to betray you, one that love you. Remember, he sacrificed for you everything he had. Don't marry because of money. Don't marry because of money.